Hi friends, good morning to all of you. I Suman Mehta welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Siksha. Today once again I am here with a new video and this is the third video on components of Gmail account, and in this video I will discuss 5 amazing features of Gmail account that will help you to solve various kind of problem while using Gmail account. Suppose few of the mails has been deleted from your email account knowingly or unknowingly, how can you recover that mails? Or suppose you are working in a corporate sector and your boss told you to send an email at night 3 a.m. Will you set alarm to work at night 3 a.m.? No. So what will you do? You will schedule an email to be sent automatically at night 3 a.m. Or suppose you have sent some mail to someone, but due to some of the network problem the mail has not been successfully sent. In that case, will you retype the mail and send? No. So what will you do? So solution of these all kinds of problems I am going to discuss in this video. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hi friends, welcome to Online Siksha. Starting with number 5. At number 5 we will learn how to recover deleted mails. To recover deleted mails you will have to take help of trash folder. So for that, first of all, open your Gmail account. I have already opened my Gmail account to save your time. Now move your mouse pointer to the left side of the pane here, and here you will find one of the option more. Now click this more option and scroll your mouse down. You will find one of the option here, trash. This trash option will help you to recover your deleted mails. If you are using an Android phone, at the place of this trash option you will find bin folder or bin option. That bin option or bin folder will help you to recover emails in an Android phone. So let's we learn it practically. So first of all, delete one of the mail from inbox and then after recover it. To delete the mail, go to the inbox and select the mail which you want to delete. Suppose I want to delete this mail, so select this mail first and then after move your mouse pointer just above of this mail here and click this delete option. The mail will be deleted and one of the confirmation message will be displayed here. As you can see, conversation moved to trash. It means the mail from inbox has been deleted and now it has been sent to the trash folder. So now to recover the mail you have to go to the trash folder. So for that, once again click this more option, scroll your mouse down and then after you will see here this trash folder. Click this trash folder. The mail which I have recently deleted is displayed here, means this mail is deleted and now we want to recover this mail. So to recover this mail, right click on the mail. You will find one of the option appears here, that is move to inbox. Now right click on the mail and click this move to inbox option. You will see one of the confirmation message displayed here. This confirmation message says that action completed. It means the mail has been removed from the trash folder and it has been successfully restored to the inbox. Now to see that recovery mails, once again go to the inbox folder. You will see that here the message is as per restored as it was previously here. So this way you can recover your deleted mails. One thing you must remember, suppose you recover any of the mail, that mail will be recovered to its original position. Suppose I delete any of the mail from this primary tab, it will be recovered in this primary tab. Suppose any of the mail I delete from this social tab and then after I restore it, that mail will be restored in this social tab. If I delete any of the mail from this promotion tabs and then after I recover it, the mail will be recovered in this promotion tabs. So this way the mail will be recovered at its original location. At number 4 we will learn about a spam folder. So for that, once again you go to this more option, click this more option, scroll your mouse down. You will see there is a option a spam. Here you can see this folder contains all such mails which may contain virus or which may be harmful for your computer. So to open the mail in this folder, you have to make sure yourself first that it is free from viruses. and then after you can use the mail. I would like to suggest you it is better not to use the mails from this folder. So for let's see, click this spam folder. You will see that these all are the mails which are stored in this spam folder. It means these all mail may contain the virus or it may harm our computer. So it is better not to use this mail. It is better not to open this mail. If you are not sure, please do not open this mail. If you are sure that it does not have virus, it is free from virus, you can use it. At number 3 we will learn about CC and BCC options. So for that, first of all, click this compose option, and soon you click the compose option, you will find one of the dialog box appears just like this. You can see here in this dialog box you will see one of the option, there is CC or BCC. Before I proceed further about CC or BCC, for your kind information, I must tell you that I have already made one video in which I told how to compose and send a new mail. Link of the video you will find just above in the I button. Now let's we learn about the CC and BCC, where CC stands for carbon copy and BCC stands for blind carbon copy. I must tell you that this CC, when you click this CC, one of the new rectangle box is opened here. As you can see, this rectangle box is used to send a copy of the mail to the person, and then after you find there is one BCC option. When you click this BCC option, one more new rectangle box appears just below. This option is used to send the blind copy of the mail. To clarify your dots nicely, you must understand what are the differences between this CC and BCC. Let's we take an example for our better understanding. Suppose into I write one of the mail to whom I want to send the mail. Suppose I write here mohan@gmail.com. If you want to write some more mail here, you can put comma to separate this mail and type another mail. Suppose then again I write sohan@gmail.com, and after this, suppose I want to write some mail in this CC column. In this CC column, suppose I write ramu@gmail.com, and then again one more email I write raju@gmail.com, and after this in this BCC column I write boss@gmail.com. So now I must say you, the person whose mail I mentioned in this two column will get the original copy of the mail, but the person whose mail I mentioned in this CC column will get the carbon copy of this mail, and the person whose mail I mentioned just below in this BCC column will get the blind carbon copy of the mail. Now you understand this here. The person who are here in this two column will be aware about this concept that the copy of the mail has also been sent to Ramu and Raju. Means here Mohan and Sohan will be aware. Mohan and Sohan is knowing that the copy of the mail has also been sent to this Ramu and Raju, but the Mohan and Sohan is unknown about this concept that copy of the mail has also been sent to boss. So once again you must remember here, the person whose mail we have explained in this two column will get the original copy of the mail, but person whose mail are explained here, mentioned here in the CC column, will get the carbon copy of the mail. And at last here, the person whose mail is explained here in this BCC column will get the blind copy of the mail. So here Mohan and Sohan both will be aware of this thing, that the copy of the mail has also been sent to this Ramu and Raju, but Mohan and Sohan will be unknown about this, that copy of the same mail has also been sent to this boss. So this is the major differences between CC and BCC. I hope you understood this CC and BCC. At number 2 we will learn, if we have sent some mail to someone but due to some network problem that mail has not been successfully sent, in that case the mail will be sent to your inbox. Here you can see the mail which has not been successfully sent. You will see that mail as a bounce mail in your inbox, or if you are using an Android phone, your mail will be shown there in your Outbox folder. Let us see here. When suppose I type one mail and then after I click this send here, before I click this send I disconnect from internet connection, internet access. You can see here that in this case the mail is shown here in this Outbox folder. So this way Outbox folder contains the mail till the mail is in the progress, or the mail that is not sent to the recipient due to some of the network problem or due to some of the network conjugation. So mainly the Outbox is used to store the mails for a short time till the mail is in the progress to be sent. At number 1 we will learn how to schedule an email to be sent to someone automatically as per the specified date and time. So for that, once again you go to this compose option, click this compose option. Soon you click this compose option, you find one of the dialog box appears this way. Here compose a mail first. Suppose I compose a mail for mohan@gmail.com, and then after put the subject. Suppose I put the subject is meeting, and then after you type the message. Suppose I type the message, this is the message body, whatever the message body is or whatever the message is you type here, and then after move your mouse pointer just below here to the send option. You can see just beside the send option there is a drop down menu, there is a drop down button. Click this drop down button. Soon you click this drop down button, you find one of the option appears is schedule send. This schedule send will help you to schedule an email to be sent automatically to someone as per the specified date and time. As I have told you in this video that suppose you have been told by your boss to send an email at 2 a.m. at night. So in that case you will take help of this type of feature. Here you can schedule an email to be sent automatically at 2 a.m. so that your boss will also be happy, or this is the another way to impress your boss that you are working till 2 a.m. So let's we learn it. Click this drop down menu, then after click this schedule send. As soon you click this schedule send, you find one of the pick date and time dialog box appears on the screen just like this. Here you can see there are already some of the dates mentioned here. You can choose this, or if you do not want this, you can click this option just below to choose date and time according to your choice. As you click this pick date and time, you will see this type of dialog box appears. Here you can select date according to your choice and time according to your choice. In this way you can set the specified date and time for the mail to be sent automatically to the recipient, and then after you have to click here this schedule send. As the specified criteria will match, the mail will be automatically sent to the recipient. So click this schedule send. Soon you click this schedule send, you find one of the confirmation message is shown here. So finally I mean to tell you, this way you can schedule an email. I hope this video is found to be helpful. If yes, please show me your support by giving this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to share it to your friends and let them be benefited. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you may never miss a video from me. My name is Suman Mehta. I thank you so much for watching.